Hey, what's up, y'all? Happy Wednesday to you. Happy hump day, man. I swear these weeks, time is just going by quick. So do your best with it, man, and get your investments on. I swear it like this time just be flying by, man. I don't know if I'm the only one thinking that. But anyway, y'all subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel. Also, the jobs report came out. They added 130,000 jobs in January. I'm thinking that might be some of the reason for the sell off. I'm thinking they said it was better than what they expected, but still add 130,000 jobs. Trying to think what else I seen in notifications that can be the reason for the headlines. That was really about it. Mm, Robinhood had beat earnings on yesterday, but still went down, saying somebody was expected to make $1.3 billion, and they came short at 1.2. So that was the reason for a sell-off with that one. But it did add more people, more subscribers, not subscribers, but people on to people that added more folks that's trading out to the brokerage company, more accounts. But urgent buys, urgent sales, man. Let's get to trading. Subscribe to my channel, hit the like button, watch my recent videos, share my channel also. All right. What did I sell today? I sold 3M. I had about a sell limit order. I sold at $174. What's the 52-week low? Is now 174.93. I just sold this position. I got another one in my Webull portfolio, well, in my Cash App portfolio. This is a buy and hold forever type of stock, though. I sold because the dividend yield 1.68%. My margin is 5.05. So any growth stocks that I can get the money out of and put into a dividend play, I'm going to do it. But that's why I sold it. I could have just sold my initial investment and let it ride. But being that I got another position of this in my Cash Out, like I said, my Cash Out is basically my buy and hold for stocks, which I did put a sell limit order in at 174.93 in my Cash App to take my initial investment out. I had like $938 in it. I was up like $1,000, so I'm gonna leave $1,000 and let that just run. But that's how you do it, especially if you got stuff like this, a buy and hold stock far as a runner. But I brought 10 shares of YMAG last night at 13.31. Like I said, I sold 3M because of the dividend yield. Like I'm paying margin, so it got to be at least 6% or higher. Um, like I said, I brought 10 shares of this last night, 24-hour at 13.31. I did go back in and get a little bit today at these prices. I'm going to get another $2 while I'm online with y'all. This also is on my list. So make sure you get that YMAG, man, for that weekly income. And watch me. When I buy it, you go in and buy it. I'll give you the best time to go and get it. If I buy full shares, you do full. I do fraction, you do fraction. But remember, you are the CEO of your portfolio. Remember that. 858 at this. Like I said, I'm not loading up no more in this portfolio. I got it on $2 a day recurring. When it's down, I just buy fractional shares. I already make like $107 a week off it. I got a dividend payout coming out tomorrow. Let's go with Uber, $71.60. Go get you some Uber. Uber got a 52-week high of 101.99. That's $30 upside a share. Hood not going anywhere. They turning into banks, giving you credit cards and everything. They about to start doing wheels and all kind of stuff. So I got $50 worth of this. I'm gonna get another 50 at this price. I need to bring down my average cost. So a little money I did get from 3M. Lower my average cost right here using margin. I got so much in dividends coming in, it don't really matter. That's where these weekly yield maxes come in at into play. So far I got down to $20.14. I already brought some of this today. I'm going to go get another $3 worth. Let's see, not loading up on nothing. That's why I sold that stock, so it could free up some money too. Because these going to be my runners for the future. We got YMAG, YMAX. If I was you, I'd put this one on $1 a day recurring. It's going to be your safety net, SRLN. 7.7% dividend yield, pay 25 cents a share out monthly. But that'll be something when you retire, you want them kind of plays there. That SLRN is not a lot of yield, but it's safe. Charge point, on down days, go nibble at this. Rome wasn't built overnight. I just buy it and don't look at it. I'm at 1078 now. The best way to do it is buy you like 5 shares every week at the weekly low. Amazon down to $204.18. Definitely load zone. About to go get some more of that right now at that price. Wendy's. It's another one I'm going to get rid of. Like I said, I don't like the food industry. Got down to $7.70 today. This will buy at $8 and under. So, I'm going to get 5 shares at $7.70 next time it touch it. 7705, 7.70, 24 hours. Hell, they got 8 p.m. timing for us. Need to be 90 days. There we go. Let's see, something was looking funny right there. Get back, ticker ACHR, eVTOL. Got it on $1 a day. It's the time you want to buy it when it's cheap, especially at 7 and under. I'm at 735, 52 highs, 1462. As you know, it starts soon as they have a good earnings, everything will go up. And they shorten this stock too, but it's all good because I'm gonna be buying it. This is a long-term play anyway. CIM, Shamera Investments, had good earnings, made a new 52-week high, and they hiked their dividend today. New 52-week high is $15.55, and they raising their dividend to 46 cents from 37 cents. So that's definitely one. Nice REIT there to have. We did 3M. Coney getting whooped. As I tell you, I got this on $1 a day recurring. But on days it's down. I just go pinch a little more at it to help lower that average cost. Sooner or later, my average cost going to be around the market price. Got some ways to go, but it'll work out. Got fiat. That's the inverse on Coinbase. Most of y'all should be up on this one. I'm at 34.68. It's at 30.06 now. Like I said, when Coinbase is down, fiat is up. Coinbase been getting whooped. So you should be up right now with fiat. I need to go see the dividend yield on fiat. But anyway, you get this payout every week. Also, these are the dividends I've been getting every week. So nice one to keep for cash flow. When it's up, you're going to get paid more. When it's down, you're going to get paid less. KLIP, Clip. I got 2 positions in fiat. I think I'm going to sell one in my Webull portfolio, make my exit, and keep this one. Clip, $30.30. Definitely going to go in and get some of this at these prices. I like to load up at 30 and under. I got this on $2 a day recurring also, bringing down the average cost. Pay 60 to 68 cents a share every month. Nice slate, safe one since it's reverse split. RC, $1.83. Go in and pick some of this up, lower that average cost. getting aggressive on my buys as far as knocking down these average calls. I'm at 272 now. And I have some good news. It's going to go up. Once I make my exit, I'm out. IIPR, $47.50. Marijuana stock, I would probably stay out of it. But if you in this, you need to lower your average cost. 52-week high, 75.71, 44.58, 52-week low, 15.84% dividend yield. Got Netflix, NFLX, 79.95. It's the logo. Get you some of that. Got NFLY. Know you got to get some of that to pair with it. Now that this down, pays out every week. ABR, Arbor Realty down to 772. Yeah, right now I'm just, if I buy shares, I'm doing at the weekly low. I don't want to load up too much on it. ABR, which I'm buying that every day at $8 and under. RPT, Rhythm came down, got like a 9% dividend yield. 9.61. Nice core. They got earnings coming up too. Good earnings, gonna push that stock right back up. So all it's about, man, earnings. Like every 3 months you got earnings. So they keep the business flowing right. TCPC going at 483. Get some of that, lower that average cost. 20.33% yield. Take a MED. Metafast. Gonna go get a little nibble at that. Go with Nike. $62.45. They're expected to have good earnings for their next quarter. 52-week low high is 82.84. You got about $20 upside per share. Last one on my list, Bybit. Bitcoin, people still believe in it. It's Bitcoin winner. All I can tell you is the time you want to buy, you're going to get paid every week with this ETF. So when they start to shoot up, I got average cost of $41.89. Might want to get it down, reinvest some dividends, at least reinvest half of them. Just to lower your average cost. I'm going to show y'all all my dividend payouts. Show y'all how I operate. Last week I got $17. I put like $2, $3 a day. I'm just reinvesting the dividends back into it now. Just to lower my average cost and build that position up. Because you got to remember, when the ETF is low like it is now, it's going to make a lower payout. When it's high, it's going to make a higher payout. So if you're getting this at $24.38, and say this week is paying 15 cents, we're just going to say at $24.38, what you think is going to pay at $28? It might go up to 18 cents a share before a price you got at $24.38, $4 cheaper. You know, that's why you want to buy it now if you believe in Bitcoin. That's if you believe in Bitcoin. You the CEO of your portfolio. Remember that. All right, let's check out traps. Get on out of here. Bank stocks. I took my initial investment out, so playing with the house money now. Only problem I got right now with them, I'm trying to see whether I want to make my exit out of this one, because I really just want to deal with credit card companies only. Capital One, American Express, MasterCard, and Visa. And buy the XLF, the ETF for the banks. GPMT, Granite Point Mortgage. Trying to get that one a chance to run. I like SLRC at 15 and under. Now wait. Got TCPC, OBDC, another one, REIT. You got to get a lot of that. Really could have just kept on going without buying it, but since I was there. All right. MFIC, another one either. Well, not that bad in this one either. Nice quarterly paying REIT. You go get some OXLC. Think about making my exit out of land. I can buy some YMAG with that. Land got a 52-week high of 1192, 5.12% yield. It's a safe yield though. PFLT came down yesterday. It's low enough for me to nibble at it. 10 cents a share every month. Not worrying about Brandywine. It's a dividend play. ABR, Redwood Trust. And they got earnings coming up too. Looking AFCG for the day, 228. What's the 52-week low? 206. Don't leave that there. Two Harbors. I'm thinking about making my exit on this one. Setting it at the 52-week high. Just get out. Got other REITs I got anyway. 946 at Goldman Sachs. Really like this about 925 and under. But since I'm here, nice quarterly paying yield. This is by Goldman Sachs, 13.47% yield, $13.44, 52-week high. Microsoft down 2%. That's a discount right there. Pay out every week. Like I say, don't you load up on none of these. Just want to keep your average cost right and tight. Seems like the S&P 500 is down, Amazon down and everything. So I'm about to load up on some YMAG, AMZY. We know that Amazon down. Just want to lower your average cost. Keep it around that. Market price, you down 12.3%, and it's got a dividend yield of 50%. You add up everything, you should still be up as your total return. DISO, no, they can't get no more fractional shares here. Yep. So you got to buy full shares of that. If I was you, I'd price it out and buy it at the weekly low. Got NFLY. Glad at 1878. Lower my average cost right here. Just pay out every month. 10.21% dividend yield. Definitely gonna be getting $10 a day of that. Glad. GLAD. IWMY pay out every week. 2022, I'm at 2058. I definitely knocked my average cost down to this one. I only buy that at 20 and under. GOY should still be up. Google been taking off. Been doing good. That YMAX clip. Got all those. Get DEA again. 24, 23. I'm up. Leave it alone. Got ChargePoint, AIPI, 36. I'm at 36. Leave it alone. Bullhood, YGPTY, 39. I'm at 42. A little $10 worth of that. That pay out every week. There's options on AI and tech, which right now is down. path in the last week. All right, leave that one alone. W payment coming down 36. I'm at 40. Also pay out every week. Stay out of HPP. I'll suffer in this one alone. Just trade myself about hopefully get some good news. Let's see, AIYY, optional artificial intelligence. Probably want to stay out of too. But since I'm in it, I just got on $1 a day and just when it's down, like I say, buy a little bit. ULTY paying 45 cents a share this week. Extra $2 right there. MicroStrategy, you know that one getting beat up too. It's just 3.8% discount right here. PYPY. This one been doing all right lately, seem like. Oh, I'm great. Glad you can't get no fractional share. I just reinvested dividends to another play. All right. Got RPT, got ARCA. And that's it, man. Enjoy your day. Signing off. Go get your money.